I'm Ross, welcome back to the channel. It's G-SHOCK, GWF-D1000. It looks like this. One of the greatest Frogman watches built to date, and we're going to make some changes to it. Coming in a full package weight here of about 140 or so grams, it's bulky with that integrated design. You know it to be true. It just feels like it's off the wrist a little too much for me, although I love the design. And I'm used to wearing a lot of Master of G collection designs. Let's get a bird's eye view of the Jaysandkays adapter kit for the lug change. And we're going to swap out this two-piece strap and we're going to put on another one. Comes with a 24mm connection with a nylon NATO style two-piece. After it's installed, you're going to have all kinds of 24mm options in case you want to swap it out for something else. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll give you lots of visuals. If you're new to the channel, my wrists are 7¼ inches, so let me know if this is going to work for you. We'll get over here and do some top down and show you the installation process there, and then we'll do some wrist shots, some casual looks so that you can get a feel for it. Make sure you comment below, let me know what you think. Looks like this though. Comes in a Jaysandkays kit. You've got the nylon strap, you've got the spring bar tool, you also have the Allen keys, which you're going to need to do the installation. A wow moment, what's on wrist? We got on the Timex Ironman. The one thing I did want to point out is, and I'll show it to you in the overheads as well, is just how thick it is in this portion. I'm not anticipating that you're going to lose a lot of weight, but it's just the sheer size of this portion of the watch and how much it actually hangs over the wrist in some cases. And I'm 7¼ inches, so you can imagine that it has some limitations for some of the smaller wrist wearers. But when you switch on and change this lug connection and the Jaysandkays adapter out, you can basically streamline that a little bit more and lessen the load on the wrist. So let me know what you think. All right, we got your Jaysandkays kit. It looks like this. Here is the two-piece nylon NATO style with the what's like a PVD coated steel keepers. So the only thing about these that I was a little bit shocked about is that they're not quick release, but that's no big deal. They do provide you with the spring bar tool as well. So there's your Frogman. Here is the Jaysandkays spring bar tool. Am I going to get that in focus, or is it too small? Yeah, it's probably too small, but in any event, you can use that to make your adjustments. Here are your double Allen keys, which come in real handy. Otherwise, you likely wouldn't be able to do this. Oh, little Jaysandkays sticker. And I started it so that it would be a little bit easier. But basically, you have these Allen key. I forget what the millimeter size is for them both, but they will go into here. And then you unscrew. Actually, it doesn't work out too bad, and you'll see that whole post will slide out on one side, and there's a washer in there as well, and then there's the screw on the other side. You don't want to lose these things, so make sure you keep on top of them. There's the post for the one side, and there's also these tubes that are within the actual lug. So you want to get those tubes out there as well. I just use the end of the Allen key and I push, and you'll see it start to come out here. Now you can get a pair of pliers and use to pull these off. The other time I tried it, it wasn't that difficult. Actually, I can just spin that off with my fingers. So there's the tube out, and then boom, off comes the strap. The one post is done. Now we go to the other post. There we go. Number 2. There we go. And that slides out. And bam, off comes the other side. So there you go. Now you have the bare bones case with no straps attached. Now we want to get the Jaysandkays adapter pieces. I'm sorry, I took those out of the bag. So they look like this. Instead of the strap, we are going to affix these adapter pieces onto the watch like this, and then you have a 24mm lug that you can utilize for whatever strap design you may have. So let's get those back on, and just like we took it apart, same thing. The tubes will go back in, and just make sure they're in there nicely. There we go. And then we insert the pin or rod and then screw from the other side. And same thing, just like when you disconnected it, you're going to need to utilize both Allen keys to tighten it back up again so that it's nice and snug and secure. And then we insert the rod and the other screw, and same as the other side, both Allen keys nice and snug. And there you go. So there's the finished case system with the Jaysandkays adapters on it. And now I'm going to install the nylon NATO style two-piece strap, and then we'll throw it on the wrist and we'll give you some good shots so you can kind of get some visual as to whether it's going to work for you or not. But really a nice option, and wait till you see it on the wrist. You'll be pleasantly surprised. It's a good job. It does a really good job. There you go. Great having a little tool here for the spring bar tool, which is awesome. But as you can see, we've got her now connected, and she's on this two-piece NATO design, all blacked out. I like it. Kind of matches the aesthetic of the watch. Let's get her on the wrist here and show you how she looks. There you go. GWF-D1000 on the Jaysandkays strap with adapters. A little bit more streamlined, not as chunky. Not to mention, I mean, the watch itself is a pretty big build, but yeah, even on my 7 1/4, it has a lot lower profile now. Doesn't come across the wrist as wide, and it actually feels really nice, really nice. Takes it from about 142, 141 grams down to about 130, which is a little bit less, obviously, but comment below, let me know what you think. Well, there you have it. That's the Jaysandkays GWF-D1000 Frogman adapter kit, and it does not disappoint. I mean, look at that. Really nice profile for such a chunky watch, and makes it that much more of an all-day wear now, especially when you're around the pool, water, scuba diving, doing whatever you want to do. So, and you've got all the security still. Feels really nice. Fantastic. Love it. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate all your time. I'm Ross. See you on the next one.